Hello, folks. Welcome to week 13. This one's a pretty short week just due to the fact that we have Thanksgiving. But I wanted to quickly go over your assignments for this week. So, first one, it's only one assignment because I want you to use this week as like a catch up for anything that you may still owe me and haven't submitted yet, or may have to redo and haven't submitted yet. So, definitely check out your grades. Definitely check out, if you're missing anything or anything that can be redone. I'd like you to treat this week as that so that you have time to get things done, resubmitted, or turned in. That way, I have Thanksgiving to get them graded and back to you. But the one assignment I do have for you this week is learning how to use the Loft tool. And I have a video that you can see on the screen. And that video goes over how to use it. So I want you to follow along with the video in Onshape and create the exact same shape that they're doing. It's not too terribly difficult, and you can use whatever sizes you want. But yeah, you're not creating a multi-view drawing or dimensioning it. You're just creating the shape, following along with the tutorial, and then submitting a screenshot in Schoology as well as sharing it with our team in Onshape. So that's just the assignment I have for you this week. Besides that, you should go back and check and see if you owe me anything or need to fix anything that you have already submitted. But I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving, and I will see you all when we return. Bye!